Yeah.
Hey everyone, it's Connor and
Con.
we're from Bullion Now. Now, Con, you're the new guy.
Somewhat, yeah.
Yeah.
Been here like almost 8 weeks now, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
All seems like a bit of a blur.
It does,
Yeah.
it does, spot on. Yeah, you're not so new anymore, but I thought just before you get too seasoned, we'd hit you with some of the questions. Now, these questions were put forward by our Instagram viewers. They wanted to ask you some very specific questions. How do you feel about that?
Sure, yeah, let's go.
All right, so the first one, the very most important one, Star Wars or Star Trek?
Star Wars for me.
Nice. Have you watched any Star Wars movies?
Not in a long time.
Okay.
I probably after the sixth one, I probably gave up.
Yep. Yeah, fair. What was your favourite one?
Probably Empire Strikes Back.
Okay, yeah, cool. Why? Why? Tell me why.
I don't know, it's just the one that comes to mind.
Yeah.
That I remember in my childhood, I guess.
Yeah, good. Okay, so it's got a childhood connection with you. Yeah, sweet. All right, so here, now getting on to the serious stuff. If the boat is sinking, what do you grab? 1 kilogram of gold, 10 kilograms of silver, or the Star Wars box set?
The gold.
Good
Seems like the more logical choice.
Yep. I'm on board with you there. So what made you consider precious metals in the first place?
I think I kind of, like I was saying, I think in the first, like live stream that I went on, I was basically starting to get into, doing some investing and some basic, some shares and things like that. And precious metals popped up. I think my brothers actually told me about it. I started looking into it, and the more that I looked into it, the more fascinating it became. And I just haven't turned back from that day.
How long have you been stacking?
About 3 years or so, I think. Yeah.
Platinum, gold, or silver? Pick only one.
Silver.
Oh, really? Why?
Yeah.
Tell me about
I think I just like it more.
Yeah.
I've got a little bit of gold and a little bit of platinum as well. I like stacking silver much better, and I think it has probably, my opinion, more potential for upside.
Now, in your opinion, what is the best method for storing silver?
For storing silver, it depends. There's a lot of stuff, like I store them in old tubes, in old monster boxes. Depends what type of silver as well. Some of the numismatic ones I also kind of put in some old monster boxes as well, so I don't ruin the boxes and things like that. Some I've just got stacks of capsules somewhere. Some I've got capsules in a tube, just all sorts. And it depends on the quality of them as well. Some of the more nice items I tend to store a lot better than, some old florins or something like that, let's say.
Beautiful. Now, we've got you to do this on a live stream before, but everyone kind of thought it was a bit unfair and that the box was empty. So we're going to have to get you to open another PAMP box on camera. So this one here is full, so give it a crack and show us your skills.
All right. Let's give this one a go.
Yeah, last time you did it with ease, so.
There we go.
There you go. Oh, that's brilliant.
Hey?
That's amazing. I'm floored. Final question. What is the best value and most affordable way to purchase gold?
Most affordable way and best value. Well, the bigger the bar, the better price you're going to get. But another thing maybe to consider would be when you want to sell it back and how much you want to get for it. So if you want to go for a kilo or something like that, it might not, tend to your needs, or you might not be able to, let's say, barter with it the best way. But an ounce, let's say, especially if an ounce of gold moves up to a certain price, might be best for you to think about, what fractional kind of denomination you want it in.
Yeah, beautiful. Thank you for your time. Is there anything else you wanted to sort of put to camera? Anything else you want to say or bring up at all?
No. Any more questions? I'll be happy to answer them.
Awesome. Yeah. I'll hold you to that one. Thank you very much, Con, for your time.
Not a problem.
And we'll see you in the next video.
See you later.
So
Are they all the questions there?
They are. I'm not going to give them to you.
Oh.
I'm going to ask you.
You want live stuff, do
Yeah,
you?
absolutely, man. I want the real deal.
All right.